Hi, I'm Erica from FarmSteady, and today we're making Fermented Peach Hot Sauce. If you follow this channel, and if you don't, you really should subscribe now, you already know that I love fermented hot sauces. Fermenting the peppers gives it such a complexity and umami flavor that really makes good hot sauce really good. And adding peaches to hot sauce is one of my favorite combinations ever. Fermenting the peaches gives it this amazing lemony peach subtle flavor to it that's delicious and pairs super well with the Fresno peppers. The Fresno peppers are spicy but not overly so and work really well with the peach flavor, but if you want it hotter, you can definitely add a couple habaneros in there too. You can find links to the full recipe and to our fermented hot sauce kit in the description. Now let's get started on this fermented peach hot sauce. For this recipe, you'll need 1.5 pounds of Fresno peppers, 4 medium peaches, and half a red onion, and 2 tablespoons of salt. For your peaches, you want to cut them in half. Roughly chop them and remove the pits. Repeat for all peaches. When choosing peaches, you want them to be ripe, but not overripe. So they should smell pleasantly peachy, but still be firm to the touch. And perfect. When making any hot sauce, we strongly recommend wearing gloves. For your Fresno peppers, you're going to remove the tops and then just roughly chop seeds and all. Bye-bye top, keep the rest, and repeat. Get them all in there. To make the brine, dissolve 2 tablespoons of salt in a quart of water. Just whisk that all together. Pack your fermenter with your peppers, peaches, and chopped onion. We want to layer those all in there. Peppers, peaches, onions. Peppers, peaches, onions. Or peaches, onion, peppers. Whatever order you want. Order doesn't matter. All in. Squeeze in a couple bit more. And put in your fermentation weight. We like to finish with a layer of peppers so that none of the peaches are at the surface. Peaches are super high in sugar, so keeping them well submerged is the best. And then pour in your brine. Top with your lid and airlock, and let ferment for 2 to 3 weeks. After fermenting for 2 to 3 weeks, your hot sauce is ready to blend. For this recipe, we blend with some of the brine and some white vinegar to get the acidity just right.
When your hot sauce is ready to blend, transfer all the peppers, peaches, and onions into your blender, but leave the brine behind. With any hot sauce where you're using very hot peppers or leaving the seeds in, you don't want to use all the brine in that hot sauce because it'll just be too hot and not the right flavor balance. Add in a cup of your brine. This one has a nice peachy pink color. And a cup of white vinegar. Now blend away. Pour your hot sauce into bottles. We're using smaller bottles this round, so we're gonna get quite a few and be able to share with friends. You'll definitely want to use a funnel and try not to overfill. Clean up all the tops, and then add in your dosers. We love dosers for all but the mildest of hot sauces. It really lets you control exactly how much is going on the plate. Top with your caps, and you're done.
Once your hot sauce is blended and bottled, you can store in the fridge and get started on your next hot sauce recipe so you can have a whole range to choose from. It seems like whenever we serve anything, we always have 4 or 5 different hot sauces. So if you love hot sauces, you'll definitely want to check out our pineapple habanero hot sauce, chili garlic hot sauce, jalapeno hot sauce, and subscribe to this channel because we'll keep coming out with more. Thanks so much for watching, and please check out FarmSteady.com for our fermented hot sauce kit and more fermented hot sauce recipes. Bye.